Quietum Plus is here to help combat ringing in the ears and other factors that cause stress such as headache, anxiety, and insomnia. Quietum Plus was formulated to be the best product on the market with a high level of efficiency and safety for the customer. Quietum Plus appears on the market as a promise of comprehensive relief for those who face annoying ringing in the ears, accompanied by other stressful factors such as headaches, anxiety, and insomnia. In a scenario full of options, it stands out as a beacon of effectiveness and safety for consumers. Let's imagine Quietum Plus as a fearless warrior, designed to face the daily battles fought in the ears and mind, where tinnitus often turns into an insidious enemy. This supplement, like a skilled strategist, has been meticulously formulated to not only combat tinnitus but also address related issues such as persistent headaches, anxiety, and sleeping difficulties. When considering the effectiveness of Quietum Plus, it is as if we were facing a masterpiece in the form of a protective shield. This product seeks to offer not just momentary relief, but a lasting defense against the symptoms that afflict many. Its formulation was designed with the highest precision, resembling a talented armorer forging a unique weapon for a specific battle. The high efficiency rate of Quietum Plus can be compared to a skilled archer whose arrows hit the target accurately. Each supplement component plays a specific role in the symphony of effectiveness, targeting key areas to provide real, measurable relief. Like an experienced archer who has mastered the art of hitting the target, Quietum Plus aims to eliminate ringing in the ears, and it correlates by directly hitting problem spots. The security offered by Quietum Plus is like a solid shelter in the middle of a storm. Concern for consumer safety is evident in each carefully selected ingredient, resembling an architect designing a sturdy refuge from turbulent winds. This supplement is the result of a careful approach to ensure that its users not only achieve desired results, but do so in a safe and reliable manner. When examining the scope of Quietum Plus, it is as if we were in front of a maestro conducting a harmonious orchestra. Each note in the supplement's composition contributes to the overall synergy, resembling different instruments that, when played in unison, create a therapeutic melody. The goal is to not just address ringing in the ears, but to create a holistic experience that improves the individual's quality of life. The ringing in the ears is often compared to a constant sound, like the echo of a dissonant symphony. Quietum Plus, in turn, can be seen as a deft conductor, bringing order to this auditory chaos. It aims to re-establish lost harmony, offering a melody of tranquility amidst the sensory turmoil. A persistent headache, often associated with ringing in the ears, is like a shadow that hangs over the daily journey. Quietum Plus acts like a ray of light, dispelling this shadow and providing relief. It is as if we are facing an artist painting a masterpiece, removing the dark tones to reveal a more serene mental landscape. Anxiety, in turn, is like a storm that rages through the mind, creating waves of emotional discomfort. Quietum Plus acts as a safe haven, offering shelter from these emotional storms. Its formulation is like a shelter, providing support to face the rough tides of anxiety and restore mental calm. Product link in comments.